What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today we got big news. Ignore the messy room, please. I just woke up. We got the iPhone 10, which is a big upgrade from the 6 Plus that I had before. I finally will not be living in the Stone Age, and if this thing focuses, that'd be very nice. I got a wireless charging pad. I've never seen one of these before in real life, so I don't know how it's gonna work. And I got a case, because you know, you gotta protect your phone. But Sinclair Photos phone case is coming soon. If you want one, hit me up, I guess. I'm gonna start making a website too. So this is gonna be like a little unboxing video and a channel update, because there's a lot we gotta talk about here, guys. A lot we gotta talk about. So yeah, let's get into this unboxing first, and then I'll fill you in with all the other stuff we have planned for the future. 2018 is gonna be a big year for this channel, I feel, and I'm not gonna be able to do it without you. So let's hop right into this unboxing and get started with the video. All right, so we got the iPhone 10. Undo the goodies. You know what? I'm gonna get Andrew to help me with this. Andrew is MIA, so we're gonna have to do this like this. So we got the box. Designed by Apple in California. Everything's already fallen out. We got it here. The black iPhone 10. Very nice, very nice. ASMR for you. Ooh. Okay, I'll put that right there. Got the little cube thing. It's like matte white this time. And we got earbud Renos and the charging cord. So yeah, see how this looks. Oh. Alright, so that's gonna take a second to boot up. I have my Mac right here. We're gonna get it all set up, and then I will catch ya after we get all this shit set up. Bleh.
Just money, puppy.
Okay, so all this stuff is updating and everything, and downloading and uploading and changing and all this stuff. I'll fill you in. If you didn't notice, we got a PC, baby. I don't know what it's called. It's big and white. And I have this hole set up with the mouse and the keyboard and all that jazz. Very nice, very expensive. And I got it for Christmas, so we're gonna start streaming on Twitch. So, yeah, I don't really know how to do that right now, but I'm learning. I got my Twitch set up the other day, so I'll leave a link in the description, I guess. If you can subscribe on Twitch, go do that. I know probably not a lot of people are going to watch this video because it's more like an update video. So your OG subscriber boys out there, go click on that Twitch link, and I'm going to learn how to do that. So probably doing that next week or the week after if I can figure it all out. If you know how to do it, please leave me a comment, because I'm trying to just do a little bit of everything on here. I know there's a lot of people that like more than just cars, which I'm one of those people. So we're going to try to make this channel more of like an everything channel. What else? Yeah, I'm gonna try to do a lot of like daily things, not just cars. So if you want to see anything on the channel, like challenges, pranks, buying things, whatever, leave me comments. I need ideas. We could do some meme reviews or whatever. I don't really know. Paint a picture, color a coloring book, something like that. But yeah, starting to get into shoes. Any fellow sneakerheads out there, welcome. Everybody's welcome here. 2018 is a big year for us. I really don't know what this phone is doing. Yeah, I'm just gonna figure this out real quick. I'll be back. Okay, I got it. It's going now. Yeah, got the new computer. We're gonna be streaming like PUBG, Fortnite, League of Legends, like Madden. I'm gonna try to get on the Xbox too. I have an Xbox there. I have like PS2, GameCube there, and then I have the computer right here. And yeah, so Fortnite, PUBG. I like this game called No Oxygen Included. That looks fun. I'm gonna get into this. I just don't know how to do it yet. What else we got? Call of Duty. You like Call of Duty? I'll play Call of Duty. Super Mario Sunshine. All those good old games. Just leave me a lot of things in the comments. And also, I was thinking, like, y'all are all here for the same reason. Why don't y'all all put your Instagrams in the bottom and I'll follow y'all and y'all can follow each other. So that's a good thing to, like, everybody gets to know everybody. So yeah, and just don't put follow my Instagram because that shit ends up in my junk folder some for reason. But yeah, just put your Instagram down there. Leave me suggestions of videos you want to see. I'll literally do anything. I don't care. Yeah, so that's just like an update video. Trying to do daily. Trying to stream. And big time money moves in 2018. We need a new car. We want to travel. We want a car spot. We want to jump off buildings. We don't want to film dead bodies in the suicide forest. No, 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 no. I want to meet all y'all. If you want me to come see your city, let me know. I'll come. Flying's not a problem for me. And I'm supposedly taking next year of school off. So once summertime comes, it's just a steady grind fest for 365 days. But I'm really gonna try to upload kind of daily, or at least if I can't upload daily, I'll stream when I can't upload. Because Houston, Texas isn't the most exciting place in the whole world, but hopefully doing the daily vlogs and shit will help me, like, go outside and do something new every day that I wouldn't normally do. And working out. I'm gonna start working out every morning, so you're gonna see that. Eating healthy, I guess. Don't let me eat fast food. It went dead. Yeah, we're just gonna be doing a lot of new stuff. So yeah, thanks for sticking around. I'm just gonna end it here. If you like the video, leave a like, comment, all that stuff in the comment section below. Subscribe, tell all your friends we're blowing up this year, and I'll see you in the next video.